The big moment is finally here: Apple's iPad Pro M5. This isn't just another yearly refresh. This feels like a turning point. Think back to 2010, when the very first iPad launched. Most people thought of it as just a bigger iPhone. It was good for browsing the web, watching movies, or maybe pretending to get some work done on a flight. But now, in 2025, the iPad Pro M5 is shaping up to be Apple's boldest attempt yet at redefining what a tablet can actually do. The excitement comes from one simple idea. This iPad isn't meant to be your side device anymore. It's meant to be your primary computer, a real laptop replacement. Apple is expected to release two main sizes, an 11.5-inch and a 13.5-inch model, both with slimmer bezels so you get more screen without carrying a brick around. The smaller one is perfect for students and portable users, while the larger one is practically a mobile studio for professionals, especially video editors and designers. And the design? Well, remember how crazy thin the M4 was? Just 5.1 millimeters on the 13-inch model? Thinner than many smartphones? Apple looked at that and said, "Cool, let's go further." The M5 is rumored to be even slimmer, still durable, with refined aluminum and glass that feels lighter and more premium. Nothing too flashy, but subtle improvements that make it sleeker, stronger, and very Apple. The display, though, is where Apple flexes. The M4 introduced the tandem OLED, stacking two panels for insane brightness and accuracy. And the M5 will push that even higher with improved HDR brightness, smoother refresh rates, and better efficiency. For professionals like photographers, designers, or video editors, it's like carrying a top-tier monitor in your backpack. And let's be real, for the rest of us, it just means Netflix is going to look absolutely gorgeous. But the heart of this iPad is the M5 chip. Apple's M series has already crushed expectations, and the M5 looks like another giant leap. Leaks suggest a 10-core CPU and 12-core GPU, delivering up to 30% more power than the M4. That's Apple basically telling laptop makers, "We're coming for you." Whether you're into 3D modeling, AR, VR, or even high-end gaming, the M5 could be one of the fastest consumer devices in the world. Add in a boosted neural engine for AI and machine learning, and suddenly, Siri might actually do more than set alarms. And here's the real game-changer: RAM. The M4 started at 8 gigabytes, but the M5 is rumored to start at 16 gigabytes and go up to 24 gigabytes. That's desktop-level memory in a tablet. Combined with iPadOS 26, this means proper multitasking. It's real extended display support and smooth switching between multiple heavy apps. Imagine editing a video while keeping Photoshop, Safari, and Zoom all open without slowdown. For students, this is multitasking heaven. For creatives, it's the first time you won't be reaching for your MacBook, just in case. Cameras are also getting smarter, not just flashier. Apple may add dual front-facing cameras, finally fixing those awkward video call angles. The iPad will automatically adjust whether you're holding it in portrait or landscape, so you don't look like you're staring into the void during class or a work meeting. On the back, improvements to AR and low-light performance make it more than just a casual camera. It's another creative tool. Now, of course, the big question: price. Surprisingly, Apple is expected to hold the line. Around $1,099 for the 11.5-inch, $1,299 for the 13.5-inch, and yes, the fully loaded version could cross $2,000. But Apple is sending a clear message. The iPad Pro is ambitious, but it still needs to stay within reach for students, professionals, and creators. Considering what you get, it's actually competitive compared to the Surface Pro or Samsung's Galaxy Tab Ultra. Here's the bigger picture, though. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just another product, it's Apple's vision of the future of tablets. The M2 gave us laptop-level power. The M4 gave us stunning, old, and design. And now the M5 finally merges raw performance, huge memory, and smarter multitasking in a way that blurs the line between laptop and tablet. Apple isn't just building the best tablet, it's trying to reinvent mobile computing in one device. So, is the iPad Pro M5 worth the hype? If the leaks are right, absolutely. This won't just be another iPad. could be the iPad that redefines what tablets are meant to be. And here's my question for you. Could this actually replace your laptop? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know what you think. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss my deep dive when the M5 officially launches. And while you're here, check out the videos on screen right now, especially the one on Apple's ecosystem, because it'll show you why the iPad Pro M5 might be more powerful than you realize. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.